Today is a rainy day. As kids, we love rain, especially Inu.
I love rainy day. I love rainy day. I love water and trees.
We are going to see the pitawana of Girithale tank. It is not powerful as Dora the Hare, but it is a breathtaking view. Now we are on the place.
I love water, rainy, rainy water. I love water, rainy, rainy water.
Look how the water current goes. It has a huge kinetic energy.
All clouds have fall to the tank. All clouds have fall to the tank.
I think this water goes to min area tank.
Cloud go to sea, cloud go to sea, and go to the sky. Cloud go to sky, cloud go to sky, cloud go to sky,